A judge ordered MLGW to give a former employee who made racially charged Facebook posts his job back. The employee was fired not only for the social media posts, he also attended a rally where he supported keeping the Confederate monuments up in Memphis. The judge said he was fired in part because he was white. Local I-Team senior investigator Jenny DiPrizio joins us live in the studio now to break all of this down. Jenny.
You know, Michael Goza will not only get his job back, he will also get about $200,000 for back pay and damages. The judge ruled his First Amendment rights were violated, but beware, this ruling doesn't mean you can go crazy posting whatever you want and not have to worry about losing your job.
Tennessee is what we call an at-will employment state, which within certain limits means you can be fired for a good reason, a bad reason, or no reason at all.
First Amendment attorney Lucian Para says that's something you should consider when posting on social media. Para says where you work matters when it comes to your First Amendment rights. Michael Goza was fired for his Facebook posts. In this case, Goza worked for a public utility, and that made the difference when it came to the court ruling in his favor. The judge said some of Goza's statements may have been insensitive, offensive, and even bigoted, but they were protected by the Constitution nonetheless.
Free speech only applies as against the government, city, county, state, federal. But if it's a private company, you have no free speech rights. The company can do what it wants. If the boss doesn't like what you say, they can fire you.
You have to wonder, some of the things people put on social media, you have to wonder, what were they thinking?
Para says when it comes to social media, the easiest way to protect your job, be smart.
Maybe taking a few minutes to think about it before you hit the send or post button.
So far, MLGW has not commented on the court ruling. Live in the studio, Jenny DiPrizio for the local I-Team.